Good morning. I thought I would make this quick video to show a hunting kit I put together from items from the Dollar Tree. This is like a backup bag that I carry in my main hunting bag. However, it could stand as a hunting kit all its own. This is all the majority of the items. Let me be clear. The majority of the items are from the Dollar Tree. And by no means was this some kind of a self-challenge that I did? Well, I have to use only Dollar Tree items. That's not the point of this. It's just that I love shopping at the Dollar Tree, and you can actually find great items that could help you in your hunting. I happen to be a small game hunter, and this is a kit for a slingshot hunter. Obviously, with some creativity, you can make your own kit. The bag, this bag, it is from the Dollar Tree. They call them traveler's bags. I figured out with things. Let's see where that's got on. Okay. This is a utility knife. This comes from the Dollar Tree as well. That is something that you can use to skin game with if you don't have your knife on you, or just if you don't want to dull your blade. That exists as an option. Utility knives can be used very effectively for skinning small game. This, believe it or not, is also from the Dollar Tree. It's a folding knife. It isn't the greatest in the world, but I thought, why not carry it in case I need to puncture something? I would always advise you get yourself a good pocket knife. There you go. These are light up sticks. You always need these for some kind of a light source. As I've stated, this is a little hunting kit that I put together to go within my main hunting bag as a backup system. I got bags always for putting your game in. These items aren't from the Dollar Tree. As I said, the majority, but not everything I have. This is a fishing kit that I carry. It has probably 100 feet of line on here. It's about 12-pound test, a sinker on it attached. There's two half-pound sinkers, some split shots. This is a little fishing kit I could use. And number 6 hooks. I found the number 6 hooks can work for smaller fish and larger fish. Not a problem. I know guys who have caught huge fish with number 6 hooks. Of course, they can get away, but it can work. So it's better to be able to catch a small fish if you need to eat. At several. This also is from the Dollar Tree. This is used for earbuds. I've used it in the ammunition kit. I mean, right now I have steel balls in there, though I prefer lead. But, you know, nail clippers, you could always use these for many applications, not just for their intended use. I use them for fishing and other. I may replace these with lead, but this is a nice little container you can use for ammunition or whatever you choose. This is another pill bottle that I filled with marbles. These marbles also come from the Dollar Tree. They come in the decorative section. They're around 5/8. Some are a little larger, which is great. A little larger, more impact. The lighter, also from the Dollar Tree. You should always have a fire source. This is a hand sanitizer. I don't think I bought this at the Dollar Tree, but I added it to my kit. Here we have a backup slingshot made from a peeler. If I can get a close-up of it. I made this from a peeler. Though this didn't come from the Dollar Tree itself, the peeler I got from a 98-cent store outlet that has closed. But there are others out there. The rubber bands come from a chain store that's connected to the Dollar Tree, the Family Dollar store. These are very good rubber bands. I've had very good success with them hunting. There's the entire kit. And I just thought I would share that, yeah, with a little bit of creativity, you can put together a nice hunting kit from items from the Dollar Tree and other dollar stores for that matter. But this, the majority is the Dollar Tree. I just love shopping at the Dollar Tree itself. It's just to help give you a little bit of, you know, some ideas for creativity. Obviously, you can add in, make it your own. They also have backpacks at the Dollar Tree. You know, you can put together an entire kit. Obviously, this knife isn't the greatest in the world, but it could be useful. You know, my recommendation is always to get yourself a really good pocket knife or a good straight knife. But these can be used. This utility knife, you can use it, you know, the skin game, no problem. There's guys out there cutting tires and then making sandals with these types of utility knives. So I just thought I would share that this is a kit I have put together. It's not complete by any means. You know, there's other things I want to add to it, like rat traps and stuff. But I will discuss that in another video regarding my hunting kit that I carry, my bag, my hunting bag. I just thought I would share that, and hopefully this can be insightful and helpful to anyone out there who is hunting, and specifically for us small game hunters. Thanks for viewing. Like, comment, subscribe.